All of South Africa's 13 current cases are not linked to China, while the latest patients have travel history to multiple countries in Europe. While the 6 new cases relate to the patients travelling to Italy, Germany, Austria, Portugal, Switzerland and Turkey. While South Africa is preparing to welcome over 100 of its citizens from the epicenter of the virus in Wuhan, who are confirmed to be healthy but will be quarantined for 21 days. While some citizens outside the evacuation zone and the rest of China say the situation is slightly improving.
Limiting movement alone just made sure that people, were more aware of being cautious and quarantining themselves if they were sick, and it sort of made the process a little bit easier to follow.
I think now it's not as scary as when it first began. Today, there's been 8 confirmed cases of people that are infected in our city, and so we're told not to go to the city center and just stay around campus because that's where, there's nobody who's infected or any cases reported.
Well, experts say each country's responses to the outbreak were different, guided by their risk profile.
In terms of the responses in other countries, it's been very varied. I think one of the difficulties was the major unknown. We didn't know how easily transmissible the virus was, what the incubation period was, if people who were just mildly symptomatic could still transmit virus before they became severely ill, or people who were still incubating could transmit the virus. So different countries had different responses in terms of protective measures.
While South Africa continues to be on high alert over the rising number of positive cases, Criselda Lewis, SABC News in Johannesburg.